SR-71, SR-72, B21 Raider, F22 Raptor, the mighty F-35, battle-tested F-15, F-16, and stealth giants like B-2 Spirit and B-1 Lancer. From the halls of the U.S. Air Force to the decks of the U.S. Navy, these aircraft define dominance. But what if I told you, these are only the visible tip of America's true aerial power? Welcome back to Skyjet Wings, where today, we peel back the veil on America's stealthiest and most classified aircraft. Hidden in black budgets. Tested under cover of darkness. Flying where satellites can't see. Imagine aircraft so advanced, they don't appear on maps, or even exist on paper. They're known only by whispers, shadow tech black projects. Technology so far ahead, it makes the State Route 71 look like a museum piece. I used to think the State Route 71 was the height of engineering perfection. But what I've discovered will change your view of what really rules the skies. Our story begins in the Cold War, when the US needed unmatched speed and stealth. That's when the State Route 71 Blackbird shattered records. But in places like Area 51, engineers were already crafting its successors, projects we still aren't supposed to know about. Take the F-117 Nighthawk, for example, the first operational stealth jet, kept secret for years. Or the B-2 Spirit, a silent shadow that flies thousands of miles without detection. Today, we suspect there's something even more secret. The State Route 72, a hypersonic strike aircraft that may already be in test flights. In my opinion, what's being built behind those locked hangar doors isn't just about speed or stealth, it's about complete digital dominance. Aircraft that hack, jam, spoof, and strike without a trace. While the F-22 dominates in dogfights and the F-35 is a multi-role powerhouse, programs like NGAD aim to replace them with autonomous fleets, drones with AI brains, led by a human in a mothership. Imagine a swarm of UCAVs, like the RQ-170 Sentinel, coordinated by AI. Picture laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, and camouflage tech that adjusts in real time to avoid infrared and radar. These are more than rumors, they're prototypes in testing. From invisible stealth jets to autonomous strike teams, the future of aerial warfare is already flying, just not where you can see it, yet. If this glimpse into America's invisible air power amazed you, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us at Skyjet Wings as we continue revealing the secrets shaping the skies of tomorrow.